still have that pain in your back when you went home?
I did not. I did not.
And do you have that pain today?
No. No. Everything's good.
Yeah? So pain-free?
Pain-free. I'm very happy.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, and it's March 2nd, 2022. I'm here with one of my patients from the lovely state of Arkansas. And you came down here to Deuk Spine Institute, why?
I've had lower disc back pain for probably a year. I need to get rid of it.
Yes, you wanted to get rid of it.
Right.
Now you tried to get rid of it with some other treatments.
Yes, I've had the epidural shots. They burnt the nerves in my back, and nothing seemed to work over 2 weeks. So.
And so you were recommended by your doctor to go to a spine surgeon, right?
Yes, yeah, they're wanting to do a fusion, but I don't even want to think about fusion. So
you made the right choice. You came down to Florida and we did your surgery yesterday. You can see right here some footage of the surgery where we did a bilateral L4-5 and a right L5-S1 Deuk laser disc repair. You went home about an hour after your surgery. Did you still have that pain in your back when you went home?
I did not. I did not.
And do you have that pain today?
No. No. Everything's good.
Yeah? So pain-free?
Pain-free. I'm very happy.
You look happy.
I am. I am. I would recommend Dr. Deuk. I really would. It seems we've done the trick.
All right. Well, congratulations, sir. All right. Enjoy.